How is going? Today I was showing you have to use the map method on arrays in JavaScript. So basically map allows you to run a function on each element in an array and then return a modified version of each element. So for example, if we define an array called numbers, which is equals to let numbers, which is equals to bunch of arrays 1 2 3 4 5. Now if you want to multiply each number by 2, we can do this using map. So we will define a new numbers which is equals to numbers dot maps. Now map takes in a callback function, so we can write down function and this will take one parameter. This parameter here will be n element on currently 1. So I'm gonna call is in for the number. In this function body we can simply just return n times 2. This function right here will run for each element in this array and return n, which is the element itself, times 2. We can now log this out and we should see our result. So console dot log new numbers. So we are going to Chrome and refresh, we see 2 4 6 8 and 10. So that works. You can also in ES6 shorten this, that right there, and we will see exact same result. That is how you use a map method on arrays in JavaScript. Thank you for watching. See you later.